There can be only one. What's up guys, this is Jacob here at Native Sun Wood Art, and today I'm going to be making for you a Scottish Claymore. I'm going to be using cocobolo for the blade, red oak for the guard and for the handle, padauk for the ends of the guards and for the pommel, and I'm also going to be doing a leather wrap. It's a really exciting build, really cool build. I really enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed. Let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my handle out. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to mark off 2 inches at the top here, and that's I'm going to inlay my blade into the handle, into what I'm going to use, this oak that I'm going to use for the handle. So I'm going to completely forget about that. And I'm going to measure out 13 inches, so this is a foot. That's an inch, roughly, for my handle. And I'm going to cut that out. And then after I got this cut out, to fit in the handle, I'm going to measure out the thickness of my blade and cut out the middle section here, and then inlay it in there, and then drill 2 holes for some dowels, like this, that I'll cut, and then tap in with a little bit of glue to secure the blade to my handle. And that should be pretty strong. So what I've done, I have the handle fitted. You know, I have that marked up for a good compression fit. The guard was going to give me some trouble. I mean, it was possible to do it the same way, and that's how I originally intended, was to do it, to cut these at the same angle, at like a 30-degree angle, and cut a groove into them and inlay them into the blade. But I quickly decided that was going to be more trouble than it's worth, so I cut this at a 30-degree angle. And as you saw, like previously, I drilled the hole. So once I have the handle set, I'm going to cut these. I cut a 30-degree angle out for the cross guard, and that way, when I fit on the handle, these will fit right underneath it and fit flush with the blade. So it'll still be a nice fit up. I can still get some glue in there. I can glue it up to the handle, and I'll drill a hole and pin a dowel in there. That way I'll have an adhesive hold and a mechanical hold, so everything will still be really strong when I put it all together. All right, there you have it. How to make a Scottish Claymore. It's a really fun build for me. Hope you guys liked it. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my process, of the video, of the wood that I used. And also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Also check out my Facebook page so you can get all the behind the scenes footage, videos, photos with how I make these videos, how I make my projects. If you got any questions, be sure to reach out on there or on the comment section below. Thanks you guys for watching. Take care.